So good morning to all of you. I'm Alka Sharma, science teacher of KLM International School. Today my topic is fundamental forces. So today we will discuss about the four fundamental forces of the physics in plus one science class. So one by one we will discuss about the gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and last one is a weak nuclear force. So first question is that what is the gravitational force? That is the first fundamental force of the physics. So what is the fundamental force of gravitational force? So gravitational force consider two masses m1 and m2. Okay, so distance between them is r. So according to the definition, gravitational force is that force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. It creates two equations. First equation is that F is directly proportional to m1 m2, and second equation is that F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So if we combine to the both equation, F is equals to G m1 m2 over r square. So we can create a new equation, F is equals to G m1 m2 over r square. That is the gravitational force equation. In this equation, what is G? G is universal gravitational constant whose value is 6.67 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square kg inverse ka square. That is the value of the universal gravitational constant G. So according to the properties of the gravitational force, it's the first property of the gravitational force. It is a long range force. Gravitational force is a very long range force. Second, gravitational force is a weak force from all other forces. Third one is gravitational force only in attractive in nature. Okay, so that is the gravitational force properties. Okay, so second one we will discuss about that what is the electromagnetic force. So second one is the electromagnetic force. From the naming we can easily say that electro means charges. Okay, my first question is what is the charges? How many kinds of the charges? Charges are the two type of the charges. First one is a positive and second one is a negative. The magnitude value of the charges is 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. What is coulomb? Coulomb is the SI unit of the charges and the value is 1.6 10 raised to minus 19. So according to the definition of the electromagnetic forces, its definition is in the last force, in the gravitational force we have considered two masses. Okay, in that case of the electromagnetic force we consider two charges q1 and q2. Both charges are separated by small distance is r. So according to the definition of the electromagnetic force, it considered that it is a force of attraction or repulsion. Why they have told force of attraction or repulsion? Because in the first definition, we have considered two charges, positive and negative. If like charges, if both are like charges, it creates a force of repulsion. If both are unlike charges, it creates a force of attraction. So in the case of the electromagnetic force of attraction and repulsion is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the charges q1 and q2 and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. लास्ट टाइम पे हमने वहाँ पे एक ही चीज़ चेंज करनी, वहाँ पे हमने मास लिया था, यहाँ पे हम चार्ज लेंगे और चार्ज कंसीडर करेंगे q1 एंड q2 और साथ उसके मैग्नीट्यूड जरूर लगाएंगे. ठीक है कि बोथ मैग्नीट्यूड बोथ पॉजिटिव एंड बोथ मे बी बोथ पॉजिटिव मे बी बोथ नेगेटिव. सो दैट्स वे we can consider the two equations. F is directly proportional to q1 q2 and second one is F is inversely proportional to 1 over r square. If you combine to the both equation, we can easily create a new equation of the electromagnetic force is F is equals to k q1 q2 over r square. What is k? K is known as a constant proportionality. Okay, so that is the value of the electromagnetic force. This is also known, that is a value of the electromagnetic force. The value of the k is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, but in the case of the plus one science class we just still about the study about only k. Okay, in the further classes we discuss about the value of the k 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. So in the basic concept, F is equals to k q1 q2 over r square. That is the value of electromagnetic force. So second question, what are the properties of the electromagnetic force. The first property is very important of the electromagnetic force is that the electromagnetic force is stronger than gravitational force. How many times? 10 raised to power 36 times. इतनी ज़्यादा पावर से ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स वीक है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्स से. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्ट्रॉन्ग है, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स वीक है. मे बी दैट क्वेश्चन विल कम इन टू योर एग्जाम कि वाई इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्स इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन gravitational force and how many times? 10 raised to power 36 times. Second properties of electromagnetic force is that electromagnetic forces are attractive or repulsive in nature because like charges repel each other and unlike charges are attracted to each other. And the next question is electromagnetic force depends upon the two charges, maybe positive, maybe negative. Okay, so that is the explanation of the second property of the electromagnetic force. So students, in next first diagram explain to you about the electromagnetic force binds the atom. Okay, electromagnetic force binds atom means in which we will discuss about easily atom size 10 raised to minus 10 and nucleus size 10 raised to minus 15 and charges in this positive and negative charge. Positive charge exists in the nucleus and negative charge of the electron revolve around the nucleus in the stationary orbit. Okay, second is gravitational force binds the solar system means all the planets revolve around the sun because both masses are attracted to each other. Gravitational force may only on attractive nature, but in the case of electromagnetic both attractive and repulsive are produced. So student, today we will just discuss only two forces. In my next video we will discuss about weak or strong nuclear forces. Okay, I hope you understand this type of the forces. If you have any doubt you can WhatsApp on my number. Okay, so thank you.